Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the ScreenShot tool. The ScreenShot tool enables the user to quickly and efficiently document their trade results with the use of a screenshot. For this demonstration, let's capture the results of a sell trade taken on the $Yen 4-hour time frame on the 7th of June 2016. There is currently no screenshot available for this trade, as can be seen by clicking the trade entry in the console window. The screenshot can be taken by simply dragging the screenshot tool from the Favorites tab in the navigator window and dropping it over the trade entry. The resulting screenshot is automatically linked to the trade results in the journal file and named according to the trade specifics. The user can add to the default file name if required by double-clicking in the comment field to include additional information. On this occasion, a comment will be added showing it was a breakout pullback setup and a pending order was used. The associated screenshot is now available for this trade, and when selected will automatically be opened in the Windows Photo Viewer. The screenshot tool can also be used to take a screenshot of the charts at any time. In this case, the screenshot tool can be dropped anywhere on the chart. A message will be displayed informing the user that no ticket number is associated with the screenshot. The screenshot file is saved in the screenshots folder according to the market, month and year, and can easily be retrieved for review when required by the Tools menu on the Trade Controller console as follows. Select the market, in this case the $Yen, and the month and year. As can be seen, the naming convention includes the following trade specifics: the market, the time frame, the date and time, the ticket number, and whether it was a buy or sell trade. Any additional information is added as shown. In the case where the screenshot is not linked to a specific trade, the default file name will include X's in the place of the ticket number and the buy and sell fields. Double-click on the corresponding file name to review it. The file is automatically opened in Windows Photo Viewer. All files in this folder can be viewed in turn by using the Previous and Next buttons to sequence through them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.